It's our day 2 in Nati City. Nandito pa rin kami sa Casa Rosa kung saan kami natulog. And it's currently 5 a.m. And I'm going to have an early run dito sa gym nila. And hopefully open na. Let's check. I made it to the gym. Dito sila. Meron sa mga equipment and everything. And I'm going to the treadmill. Let's go. Done with the running treadmill. So I've reached around almost 4 kilometers within 25 minutes. It's not bad. Hopefully. So chill down muna before going to the event today. And yeah, tomorrow again treadmill to get some improvement. Morning.
Morning.
So papunta na kami sa aming breakfast part. Ay, ando na sila. Let's go, let's eat our first meal today. Our breakfast with the squad. Let's eat. Punta na kami sa event area, guys. Dito si Jay. We're here now in Baywalk Hotel for the workshop, and these are the giveaways, and that is the grand prize. So we'll reveal it later kung ano yan. And these are the participants.
So later, titignan namin ng team ko ang best shots. And then,
we are done with the workshop. We have our shirt na. Yay! So, lunch break, and then after this, pupunta na kami sa 3 photo shoot. 3 sites pala, 3 beaches dito sa Mati to take the photo shoot session, and then after that, we'll have a photo contest, balik dito sa hotel, and then that's the wrap. So, kain muna tayo, guys. Let's eat. Gutom na. Here's my meal today with the squad. We're here in Bahia Beach Resort dito sa Mati pa rin, and dito yung first destination namin for the photo shoot contest. So we're going to take pictures here for 10 minutes, and we'll be using it as one of our picture for the contest. Yun. Let's go, let's take a shoot. Sila yung lahat ng mga contestant and contingents sa photo workshop. Shoot pa more! To the next destination, Saminzi, guys. Let's go! Next destination, Amihan. Let's go! Let's shoot! It's for Bayou Skin. the skimboarding session dito sa Amihan with Amihan Boys. So we're going to our next destination for our photography. To our next destination, it's the capital of Davao Oriental. It's our third setup. So meron siyang park sa harap ng capital. So then, let's go and shoot again! We are busy now to pick what's our picture for yung entry namin na gagamitin sa photo workshop, and the winners will get some special prize and we will win.
Kung merong ganito na parang pinutol yung kanilang ulo, so hindi makita,
We're currently doing now a review for all the picture na tinig ng mga contingents, and i-review ni Ate Jojie kung anong dapat improvement and ano yung comment niya sa lahat ng pictures.
Hindi masyado na gano'n.
The best photos in capital is tada!
Yay!
Sorry kay Alden. Adrian. So, the winner of our Dahican photo is
Tendeleng!
Tadan!
Whoa!
The winner
With shadow.
is Tadan!
Ayan! Congratulations!
Is that you?
Our winner is Mr. Bobcat from Lupon. So, picture po tayo. Picture tayo dito. Pero before yan lahat, pasalamatan nato ang Baywalk Hotel para sa tuwang venue.
Location.
Tuwang LGU, City of Mati, Miss Marvic Bula, Lopez Sencio, Ma'am Jojie, maraming salamat sa mga vloggers, thank you. And sa mga participant. So,
And the winner.
tuwang nitaon sa for this year's workshop is
Sabihin ko yung laman yan. Wala remedios.
Unboxing na! And...
Balik pa lang pa tayo.
Dun 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 dun!
Tadan!
Yay!
Thank you kay Ate Bula. Thank you sa opportunity nga naka-workshop ko. Again with my mentor. Tapos sa tanang participants. Tapos thank you.
Unboxing na! Go!
Unboxing. Okay.
Ready?
Thank you, Mr. Bangkat. Saya mga kauban.
Ano yan?
Oh my God.
Namoy headphone sa
Please!
Katito!
Iyan yung panyo.
Uy, ako unang one ha! Picture
Yung panyo.
Mayroon na lang ng video ha.
Wow! Instax!
Wow!
Ba't kayo nag-exchange?
Sana
Wow!
Wow!
Wow! Sir, tingnan mo yung Instax na box na yan. Baka wala ding laman.
Wow! Actually, magna siya.
Wow!
Wala pa nga natin ang winner na ito.
Thank you, Fuji!
Thank you so much, Fuji! Thank you, Fuji Apple!
Fuji, thank you, Fuji. Basta, endorsement.
Beke nemen!
Fuji, bigay na eh.
Okay, so dito ko mag-post.
Makuha kami.
What you shall post with the photo?
Wow! May...
Fuji, ha?
Ay, hindi. Para makita niyo yung itsura.
Fuji, sobra-sobra yung namin, ha?
Yung effort namin dito,
Ang
Fuji.
sabi ng boss ko sa Fuji, I normally don't sponsor photo competition, but because it's your workshop,
Yes.
I'm sending you a
Thank
camera.
you.
Oh, Fuji ha. Fuji.
Thank you so much, Fuji.
Ano ka bang video niyan?
Yeah.
Ang galing talaga ng Fuji ko.
Wow!
Actually, nakala sa gasto.
Oh my God, mas maganda.
Mas maganda.
Wow.
This is Instax S6.
The latest
The
one.
latest one.
Yes.
So, mas malaki ang square niya. White ang kanya.
Yes.
Okay guys, pack up na.
Congratulations! We are here in Kanakbai. So, dito kami magdi-dinner after the workshop, guys. Medyo malayo siya sa main street. Mahirap yung daan, pero thankful naman kami kasi may van na sasakyan papunta dito. So, we're very gutom na, and yes, it's our first time here in Kanakbai. So, let's explore. Sabi nila maganda daw dito. So, let's see. Before that, let's eat muna. Oh my God. Look at that. What a preparation. Wow. It's sobrang impressive, the preparation. Super special. Here's our food for tonight and for our dinner. Syempre. Thank you very much. Ito yung dinner ko for this night. Yes. Thank you po. We are going back now sa resort, sa Casa Rosa for the final part for this day, and we're going to drink to celebrate this day kasi successful yung event today. So let's go. We have the van here. Let's go.